Hi everyone, welcome back. So today I wanted to share with you my routine of color correction that I do on my face. Now, we've not got perfect skins. None of us have perfect skin or even skin tone for that matter, and neither do I. So I'm an Asian, I'm an Indian, and Indians have this tendency of lots of hyperpigmentation on their face. It may be around the nose area or around the mouth area, or there will be dark circles or some forehead pigmentation issue. So there will be some uneven skin tone for sure. That's what Indian genes are brought up like. So it is really important to color correct your face in order to just give that brightened, even toned look. So even now I have color corrected a lot, and because I have dark circles and pigmentation around my mouth area, so these are the areas which are more dark blue in color. So in order to cancel out the dark blueness, you need to put orange or red color corrector depending on the intensity of the pigmentation that you have on your skin. I use a dark orange corrector to kill out on the pigmentation and dark circles, and if you have pimples, then you must use a green corrector to cancel out the redness of the pimples. Now I don't have acne prone skin, so I usually, touch wood, don't get pimples a lot, but because of my hyperpigmentation I have to use a lot of yellow and orange correctors on my skin. So I'm just going to show you how I do that. All the products used to achieve this look have been bought from the Amazon's Great Indian Sale, which starts from today. So make sure to check it out and avail some amazing discounts. So I've already moisturized my skin with the Cetaphil Brightening Cream. This is priced at Rs 950, which is now available for 679 on Amazon. Now I'm going to prime my face using the Blur Perfect Makeup Primer by Lakmé. This is just going to avoid excess oiliness, and it's going to keep the face matte for a longer period of time. Now to start with, I'm using an orange corrector by LA Girl. This is going to settle down the darkness under my eye area and around the mouth area as well. So if we skip on this step, our face could look a lot more ashy. This corrector is priced for Rs 499, which is now available for just 249 rupees on Amazon. I'm just going to dab this product using my finger. Now for the foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This has a medium to heavy coverage. It's priced at Rs 9,000, which I amazingly got it for 7,070 rupees only. And this was a true steal deal for me from Amazon. Once this is all blended, I'm going to use the concealer. I'm using the Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer by Sugar Cosmetics. Now this one is something that will just highlight my under eye area instantly, and it's really long lasting, and my skin feels really comfortable with the consistency and the texture that this product has. This is priced for Rs 799, which I got for 719 on Amazon. Now to set everything in, I'm using the Nykaa All Day Matte Compact Powder. I'm in the shade Beige 3. Now this one has got a velvety soft texture, and again a very good product for controlling excess oil from the face. This was priced for 225 on Amazon. Now this is how your base should look like. If you can see that there are no patches or unevenness throughout the face, the skin looks really even and the makeup is all put together. Now I will have all the product links in the description box below. The Great Indian Sale is already begun and it is live till 6th of October. They have some amazing discounts available, so you can start wishlisting all your products of your choice. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.